At ELGi, automation isn't just about machines. It's about people, precision, and purpose. With a strong focus on building intelligent, agile, and efficient manufacturing systems, we empower our teams, enhance quality, and elevate performance. Every automation initiative begins with a simple question: how can we make it better? Better for our operators through improved ergonomics and reduced fatigue. Better for our customers through consistent quality and precision. And better for the planet through smarter, more resource-efficient production. Guided by this philosophy, our manufacturing engineering teams continuously innovate, designing and developing automation systems that combine intelligence, flexibility, and reliability. From the machine shop to the assembly line, every advancement reflects our commitment to Automation Redefined, the ELGi Way. Explore how ELGi is redefining automation.